Hey everyone, so this is going to be a little bit of a short video. So the shop is gone. We went to the car show yesterday for the mega show, last show of the year. We came here at 11:30 and got Lucas's keys for the 56. Went to the show and came back at 3:30 and the place was on fire. So the fire department says the electrical panel at the back was most likely the cause, but the 86 is gone. So there's the hat hanger. But yeah, the 86 is gone. All my tools and probably everything is pretty much totaled. So yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna be able to get back to making videos, but I'll probably be helping other people work on their stuff and trying to video that. But yeah, so we're gonna try to move forward and just pick up the pieces. You know, this isn't the end. We've still got my 55 and my dad's 55, and you know, all the engines and stuff, they're replaceable. They're all small block Chevys, you know. So it's just stuff. It just really sucks because everything I had, you know, had a story. So yeah, I guess if you want to leave a like on this video, yeah, please do. Yeah, I don't really know what to say, but I'll post some video and stuff at the end of the video, or at the end here, when of everything that happened yesterday. The fire department was here for quite a while, but the old 327, the 4-speed, everything's gone. Big block, but I was able to salvage the Mickey Thompson valve covers off the 327, but that's about it. So that's the only thing I could really get at. There's the big block header. But yep, so I guess we're gonna wait for the fire crew to finish their investigation, and then we may come back and dig through the toolbox or anything like that. But I'm considering pretty much all the metal, or all the blocks and everything like that. It's pretty much gone. So yeah, guys, that's it. Shop's gone. So I guess we'll try to see you guys in the next video. Hopefully we'll have the Camaro video actually posted soon. So we're gonna try to drive that today or this week, I don't know. So we'll see you guys around.